Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use mouse settings in this video. Go to Start. Here you will get the option Control Panel. Click on that option. Then here you will get the mouse setting option. Click.
Here you can see the small window which is called as mouse properties. Now we'll see the first option is button. You can see that the left button is already highlighted. When I select this option, that time it highlights the right button. This option is used for the left-handed person. Next we'll see is pointers. In this we'll see how we can change the pointer of our mouse. If you want to change the pointer, then go to Browse. Here you can see different types of pointers. Whichever pointer you want, just select. You can see the file name and preview also. Then click on Open. Here also you can see in the preview. Click on Apply. So here you can see the mouse pointer is changed. If you want the default pointer, then here click on Use Default. You can see in the preview and then Apply. Then OK.